What if I told you our solar system might be one of the rarest planetary systems in the entire universe? Not just special, not just unique, but statistically unlikely. For decades, scientists assumed planetary systems like ours were common. But after discovering thousands of exoplanets, a shocking pattern emerged. Most solar systems look nothing like ours. So the question is, did we win a cosmic lottery? Or is our system more normal than we think? Tonight, we're diving deep into one of astronomy's biggest mysteries: the discovery era. In 1995, astronomers discovered the first planet orbiting a sun-like star, 51 Pegasi b. It changed everything. Since then, missions like Tethys confirmed exoplanets. Most planetary systems don't resemble ours at all. We found giant planets hugging their stars, hot Jupiters orbiting in just days, super-Earths bigger than Earth, and compact systems with multiple planets crammed tightly together. But in our solar system, nothing like that exists. What makes our solar system unusual? Let's break it down. Many star systems contain super-Earths. Is Earth the rare part? Now let's zoom in. Earth sits in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Liquid water exists here. But that's not all. Earth also has a large stabilizing moon, a magnetic field shielding radiation, plate tectonics recycling carbon, a protective atmosphere, and a relatively calm star. Is our sun special? It's a G-type main sequence star. Stable, middle-aged. It doesn't produce extreme radiation bursts like red dwarfs. About 75% of stars in our galaxy are red dwarfs, smaller and more volatile dwarfs, and most planetary systems form differently from ours, then systems like ours might be in the minority. The rare Earth hypothesis suggests complex life requires an unusually specific combination of events and conditions. Not just a habitable planet, but a precise cosmic and planetary history. But a large gas giant in the right position, a stabilizing moon, if even one factor fails, complex life might never evolve. Are we a statistical miracle? Or are we simply early in the search? What new missions are revealing?
We're just getting started.
The James Webb Space Telescope is now analyzing exoplanet atmospheres. It's searching for water vapor, oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. Future missions aim to directly image Earth-like planets. In the next 10 years,
There are roughly 100 billion stars in the Milky Way, and possibly systems like ours are rare, and system millions or zillion of similar systems, just haven't found them yet.
So, do we live in the rarest solar system in the universe? The honest answer is, we don't know yet. But every new discovery brings us closer. Maybe we're incredibly lucky. Maybe we're completely ordinary. Or maybe the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined, and we're only beginning to understand it.